Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by proving you own the domain and creating a Merchant Center account. This matters because Google requires verified websites. Once done, build a product feed using CSV, XML, or a Google Sheet that includes GTIN, title, price, availability, and unique ID. Make sure your currency and target country match your store. Next, enable the shopping program or surfaces across Google so products can be listed. This gets your data into Google systems and ready for review. Now you focus on quality and connections because good data drives visibility. First, open diagnostics and resolve disapprovals. Missing GTIN, mismatched prices, or policy issues stop listings. Then configure shipping and tax rules to match checkout costs. Inconsistent values cause suspensions. Link Merchant Center to Google Ads and Analytics so you can run campaigns and track conversions. Finally, use custom labels, supplemental feeds, or scheduled fetches to keep inventory, promotions, and seasonal tags up to date for structured bidding. To finish, submit your feed or campaign and enable listing surfaces. Google will review your store and product data. Once approved, monitor performance and diagnostics daily to catch disapprovals, CPC spikes, or zero impressions. Make iterative fixes, improve titles, images, prices, and bids based on data. If something goes wrong, use the policy or item-level warnings to identify the cause, correct the feed or website issue, and request a review. That single review often clears suspensions if you've fully addressed the root problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.